For real, this is sloppy. Portland, how the you gonna have the notebook of the jurors in your house? Holy sh! Like, come the on. It's like doing a and having the surveillance tape in your DVD player or something like that. You know what I mean? Like, come on, bro. Like they raid your crib and the surveillance footage of the is in your DVD player. They be like, oh, okay, thank you, brother. This can't be at your crib.
This entire situation has started gaining massive media attention. And Charleston White also reacted to it. In his statement, Charleston White made it clear that YNW Melly should live exactly like this in jail. He argued that just because Melly is a rapper, he shouldn't get any special treatment. White firmly believes that if Melly actually committed this crime, then he should be treated just like any other inmate, not like a VIP prisoner. His words sparked even more debate across media and social platforms. Some people agreed with Charleston White, while others spoke in support of Melly, arguing that he's being treated unfairly.
They want you. I knew they wanted him bad when they waited for that law to get passed.
Yeah, he was in jail for what, 2 years, 3 years?
Yeah, they could have been took you to trial.
You're right.
They waited till that law got passed and took him to trial a couple months later. I just don't see how he didn't get a bond after a fucking mistrial.
Yeah.
That made me like, God damn.
Yeah.
On the other hand, rap industry OGs like Boozy and showed sympathy for Hacker Jamie King's situation. Boozy stated that he understands the pain and stress Jamie King is going through, because Hadra and his own mother went through a similar experience. He shared that when he was in jail, his mother also felt restless and helpless, just like Jamie King does now. Boozy highlighted an important point. When someone's son is in jail, it's not just the inmate who suffers, but their entire family also goes through emotional turmoil. His statement quickly went viral within the media and hip-hop community, bringing a different perspective to the case, one that doesn't just focus on Melly's charges or prison treatment, but also on the emotional suffering of his mother and loved ones.
Melly still turned regardless of what happened this early morning. He's still out here being very positive. Turned still. Hey! No, still turned, regardless of what happened. You already know.
But YNW Melly's lawyer made one more attempt to secure his release, bringing up a crucial piece of evidence from the first trial. They argued that at the time of the crime, Melly was texting Mariah Hamilton in real time. This evidence is significant because it suggests that Melly was actually running away from a drive-by attack, not participating in a murder. If this evidence is accepted, it could mean that Melly's direct involvement in the crime isn't proven to be potentially increasing his chances of release. However, the prosecution is likely to challenge this argument. If they have additional evidence linking Melly to the crime in some way, this strategy could fail. Now, everything depends on the court's final decision and the impact of the new witness tampering charges against him.
Kind of crazy way that Melly was communicating. He wasn't allowed to use the phone, but he was passing notes to people, and then this person's calling this person and then that person.
Saying like to me, they going through extreme measures, trying to cover up or convince people not to testify, like Mariah mom. They was using code words like Rihanna and A$AP Rocky's baby mom.
YNW Melly's lawyer presented another strong argument, using GPS evidence to challenge the prosecution's claims. According to his defense team, Melly wasn't committing a murder at that moment. He was actually running away from a car that was chasing him. They claim to have GPS data proving that Melly was sprinting down a street, which suggests he was in a chase scenario, not involved in a crime. Melly himself had previously stated that he hid in a bush, and the GPS evidence reportedly confirms this claim. This detail could weaken the prosecution's case, as it supports the argument that Melly was fleeing rather than committing a murder. Additionally, during YNW Melly's trial, the prosecutors had admitted that no firearm was ever found. This is a critical point, as without a firearm, it becomes harder to prove that Melly pulled the trigger. If this evidence works in Melly's favor, his chances of release could increase. However, the prosecution still has the witness tampering case and Mariah Hamilton's expected testimony, which could turn the case against him.
Co-defendant YNW Bortland was booked into a Miami jail Monday night and is being held behind bars on an out-of-county warrant. We just confirmed the warrant is out of Broward County for witness tampering. The warrant obtained by Law and Crime Network states as follows. On or about April 10, 2023, continuing through and including July 22, 2023, Cortland Henry, aka Bortland, along with others, did unlawfully and knowingly engage in misleading conduct toward another person with the intent to cause or induce them to withhold testimony. The warrant continues the alleged witness had been summoned by the legal process to the jury trial of Jamel Dimmons, aka YNW Melly. The dates in the warrant are important. Jury selection for Melly started in mid-April, and a judge declared a mistrial on July 22nd, the same day the warrant claims Bortland allegedly tampered with the witness.
Unfortunately, even this evidence wasn't enough to secure Melly's release, as new charges have now been filed against him. The feds raided YNW Bortland's home and made a shocking discovery. According to reports, Bortland had written down sketches or names of all the jurors from Melly's first trial on a piece of paper. A report states that these are the notes found at YNW Bortland's home, which could now be considered a serious crime. Bortland, who was only present in court for one day during Melly's first trial, allegedly committed this offense after returning home. If these allegations are proven, this could turn into a jury tampering or intimidation case, which is a major offense. This development further complicates Melly's legal situation, as authorities are now looking into whether Melly's inner circle was actively trying to influence the court's decision.